this video we're going to take a quick look at the stats tab and unlocking the stats and what that gives you. So let's head over now and take a quick look. By clicking on stats, you open up the stats tab, and as you can see immediately you can choose a country, and then you will take a look at the information we have down here on the left hand side, and we can see the average price per post, per category, per location, per age, per gender, per platform, and per number of followers. We can then also see the engagement for the same, again for the categories, and the engagement based on the followers. So as you go down the list, you'll see the average price per post, and here are all the categories on the left hand side, and this is the price per post on a location basis, so we can of course change that up here. This is the average price per post based on the age, so as you can see here are all the age groups. We can again see the information based on gender, based on the platform, and based on the number of followers. Of course, all this information is exportable. You can download it just by clicking on export all data and waiting a few seconds for your download to begin.